Hey everyone, today we are touring the Lake Apopka Wildlife Drive in Apopka, Florida. Lake Apopka Wildlife Drive is located about 42 minutes drive from downtown Orlando and 1 hour 20 minutes drive from Orlando International Airport. The Lake Apopka Wildlife Drive is a one-way, 11-mile drive meandering through the Lake Apopka North Shore. It begins at Lust Road and ends on Jones Avenue in Apopka, Florida. The road we are driving on was once underwater. It was part of a floodplain wetland along Lake Apopka's northern shore. Farming operations in the 1940s drained 20,000 acres of wetlands, and the resulting agricultural runoff, combined with other factors, contributed to the lake's eventual decline. The Lake Apopka North Shore has become one of the premier locations to observe birds in the southeastern United States. This is due to the extraordinary diversity of birds that have been documented here. The area is so attractive to birds because it has great geography and expansive habitat. Lake Apopka and its North Shore is a 50,000-acre ecosystem located directly in the middle of the state, which makes it highly appealing to birds migrating through the Florida peninsula. Although great wildlife viewing opportunities are available year-round, the best time to birdwatch is in the fall, winter, and spring. An exception is the mid-July spectacle of swallow-tailed kites foraging over the North Shore prior to their migration to South America. Kites can be seen in good numbers during July and early August, but peak counts of more than 1,500 individuals can occur during the middle of July. Some conspicuous species on the Lake Apopka North Shore include osprey, anhingia, gallinule, great blue heron, black-necked stilt, red-winged blackbird, and red-shouldered hawk. Less conspicuous, but seasonally present in healthy numbers are the American bittern, Sora rail, black-bellied whistling duck, vulvous whistling duck, and the pterodactyl. Songbirds are also abundant and include swamp sparrows, marsh wrens, and if you're lucky, painted buntings. Just ahead, the large structure on the shore is called the pump house. The pump house was originally used by farmers in the 1940s to drain the North Shore, pumping water into the lake to dry out land to make it possible to farm. During the years of active farming, the fields around you lost about 1 foot of elevation per decade through a process called soil oxidation. As the soil oxidized, it released phosphorus and exposed residual pesticides.
There's two right here. They're pretty docile. You're right next to the little metal piece. Okay. Around.
Today, the pump house is still in use, but with a different goal. Now the pump house helps maintain water levels of the wetlands. Just the right amount of water prevents further loss of soil and helps the Water Management District reduce environmental pollution.
Look through here, other side of the reeds, is that one out there?
This
Through the
way,
dark
diagonal?
See right out through there?
Wow.
Other side of these reeds here, kind of about in the middle of that opening, is that one? Might have to walk up here.
No, I mean, it don't look like it is. Doesn't look like it is.
In addition to maintaining water levels, the pumps also add a chemical called aluminum sulfate into the water. This helps improve the water quality by binding things together like dirt and sediment, making phosphorus unavailable to the algae and helping to prevent algae blooms. The bird list continues to grow and includes 362 species. Other wildlife routinely seen include numerous American alligators, turtles, river otters, bobcats, and coyotes.
Ooh. Right there, my friend.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. Oh, and there's the other one right over there. See? The drive is open Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, and federal holidays between sunrise and sunset. The speed limit is 10 miles per hour and the maximum vehicle length is 25 feet. Vehicles pulling trailers are not allowed.
I don't need my legs anymore. I'm almost retired. Almost retired.
There you go. They'll love you either way.
I'll be able to stay home.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the wildlife drive, and if you liked it, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, I don't know that I've ever been this close to a gator in the wild, that's for sure.